At NMSCC Art House in Mumbai, an exhibition titled Doug Aitken, Under the Sun is underway.
At its center, a massive cylindrical light sculpture hung with hundreds of LED tubes radiates the light of the future. This is Doug Aitken's immersive work, representing the future. Seekway Innovations handled the lighting and effect production. It's 6 meter high, 6 meter diameter. From production to transport, we maintain strict control over quality and safety. Through multiple meeting, we kept the total hanging weight of this giant cylinder under 1.8 tons. On-site hoisting, connections, and repeated testing synced lights and sound. The tubes emit uniform 360 glow, expressing free, shifting colors through pure light. Today, this light sculpture stands as the exhibition's beacon of the future,